Hi, to enable and disable NFC on your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G, you just need to open Settings and find more connectivity options. And now if you scroll down, you would see this whole tab dedicated to NFC feature. So basically, NFC allows data exchange when this device touches another. If you would like to enable it, you would need to tap on this switcher near it, like that, so it will light up blue. Now you can go in Secure Element Position and here choose either SIM wallet or this HCE. And in contactless payments, you can set your default payment app. In my case, it is only Google Pay because I got installed only Google Wallet, but in your case it could be something else, for example Samsung Wallet, something like that, and you would need to choose your default one. Also, you can simply select when you want to use default payment app, always or except when another payment app is open, and also you can go back if you messed up or something went wrong. You can restore NFC functionality here, and you can enable NFC DND to respond to NFC tags with a limited amount of NDEF tags. So also you can swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger your control center, then tap this edit button and find NFC in system toggles. Now to add this feature to your control center, tap on green plus and check mark. And here it is. If you see that it's blue, then NFC is enabled. To disable, just tap it once and you'll see that now it is off. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.